Look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, emissions, federal requirements, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, interior plus package, convenience package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, LPO, bed rail protectors, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, Z71 appearance package, suspension package, off-road and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.